me. Just follow every move. Touch me. Let me know you wanted to.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I want to do something different. I want to kind of transform this makeup look into this makeup look, which is more wearable for if you have like a dinner or a night out with your friends. I just want to kind of glam up this makeup look. Basically, I have been babysitting my niece all day, so this makeup is on there for a lot of hours, and I just wanted to film a video where I kind of transform my makeup after wearing it for the whole day into a night look, if that makes sense. Because sometimes, you know, you have these days that you have been working all day, or you went to school, you have been wearing your makeup all day long, and then for example a friend asks you, let's go out tonight, and you don't really have time to do your makeup all over. So in this video I just want to show you how I kind of go from my day look into a night look. So I'm just going to pretend that I'm in a hurry. I don't have anything to do tonight, I'm just pretending. But let's just pretend that I'm in a hurry and I have to be somewhere like in 30 minutes. So I have been wearing this foundation all day, and it's kind of starts like not really creasing. It starts to get oily around my nose area. Also my lipstick is wearing off. And by the way, if you're curious, all the makeup products that I'm wearing right now, I'll put it down in the description bar just in case you're curious what it is. So since my foundation is kind of wearing off, I'm first going to try to fix that. I'm taking this powder from Makeupforever, which is called the Super Matte Loose Powder. And I'm taking this beauty blender, which I used earlier today to apply my foundation. I'm going to dip it in the powder. And then I'm going to dip it on my face. And the reason why I'm doing this, because I'm not even sure if that's true or anything, but I feel like this way I kind of try to push my foundation back into my face. And the combination of powder, I feel like it makes it more long wear again. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of this MAC Mineralize powder in the shade Medium Deep. I used this powder this morning as well, but I just kind of want to touch it up. So I haven't used highlighter today. I don't know why, I completely forgot it. But I feel like if you have like a party, you definitely want to use highlighter, especially if you go out and all these lightnings hit your face. It looks really beautiful. So I'm going to use my Rodeo Drive highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics. Applying this using a Morphe R36 brush, and this highlighter is one of my favorites because it's so blinding. Applying this on my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead. Then for my blush, I'm taking the MAC Peaches blush, which is one of my favorites, and just applying a bit more of that on the apples of my cheeks because I feel like you can't really see it anymore. I used the same one this morning. Now I'm going to use this lip gloss from Dose of Colors, which is called Save the Date. This one looks very similar to the color Goals, which is one of my favorites by Dose of Colors, but this one has more of a rose golden finish. It's really beautiful, and I'm just going to apply this on top of this lipstick because it's really easy. I don't have to reapply my liquid lipstick because if you are in a hurry, you don't want to like clean your lips and reapply your lip liner and liquid lipstick. So I'm just going to apply this right on top of it, and you won't see anything back from the liquid lipstick anymore. So this is how it's looking so far. I think my foundation looks really fresh again, like I just applied my foundation. But since this is supposed to be more of a night look, I'm going to apply a little bit more eyeshadow to finish it all off. I'll be using this palette from Morphe by Jaclyn, and I'm going to take this shade. So the brush that I'm using is a Morphe M504, which is a very big fluffy brush, and I really like to use this brush for when I'm in a hurry because it's so big and fluffy. It's really easy to blend this really quickly all over in the crease. Then I'm taking this shade with a Sigma E25 brush and pressing this in my outer V area, and then once there's not really that much product left on my brush, I'm going to blend this softly towards my crease. Now I'm taking the black eyeshadow using my Sigma Flat Diviner brush. I'm pressing this right underneath the lower lash line. And to blend up my lower lash line, I'm going back in with this shade, which I just used in my crease. Then to finish it off, I'm going to add a little coat of mascara. I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Light Caramel Lashes Mascara, which is one of my current favorites. If you have some time left, of course, you can go for fake eyelashes. But I'm going to pretend that I don't have time for that. So I'm just going to add an extra coat. Also, I'm going to quickly add some brow gel because I feel like today my brows are looking very light compared to how I normally do them. So adding a little bit more. The one I'm using is the chocolate brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I'm using for years. I love this color. So I am going to add a little bit more eyeshadow, and I'm taking this dark brown shade. I'm applying this right here. I feel like my lower lash line is a little bit too dramatic compared to my crease. I did this so quickly, like within 30 minutes, so I'm really proud of myself. I think I can do it even quicker, but since I'm also filming, it takes me a little bit more time. I'm now going to change my outfit and I'll be right back. And I'm back. I'm now going to apply some earrings because I feel like that will finish off this whole makeup look. I'm kind of thinking about wearing these yellow ones or these pink ones. I think I'm going for the pink ones. I think I forgot one of the most important steps, which is applying some setting spray, and I'll be using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer Setting Spray. And I think this is definitely something you don't want to skip. This will just make you feel fresh, and I feel like it makes my foundation look really gorgeous. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do this more often, whenever I have a special event, for example. Maybe I can do like a chit chat get ready with me. Just let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. And yeah, I just hope this video was helpful, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Watch me. Just follow every move. Touch me. Let me know you want it too. Don't tell what you need.